Welcome to the Liz and
Ruby Show!
Cooking Show! Wow, that was good. Maybe we should change it to the Ruby and Liz Cooking Show. Don't you think? It should be Ruby then Liz?
So,
just can't take it again. All right, Ruby's giving it a good stir. Let's show people. Looks kind of like milk.
I don't.
Let's see. 500 grams.
500?
I know. It's a lot.
Well, my arms.
You getting tired?
Yep, I'm not giving up.
Never give up. Okay, now just you gotta stir it, and we gotta.
Look at that.
Not fun. See, making bread is fun, y'all. 13 grams of salt.
I didn't put too much.
Yeah, you're good at this. Beautifulness. More than that, girl. Cheese it up. Whoa. Whoa. Let's put a little bit of that back. Wow, this is gonna be some cheesy bread. Okay, we're back. 30 minutes later. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh. Still a little shaggy. I'm going to show Ruby how you stretch and fold it. And you're going to go like this, and you're going to fold it. Look how pretty that is.
Okay.
There you go.
This is my favorite.
There you go. All right. So it's puffed up, and it's time to put it in the pan. We're going to put half of this in there.
Okay. Ooh, look at that.
Ooh, look at that. It smells so, I wish you could smell it. Like, smell it, Ruth.
Smells good.
It smells so good.
I wish on camera I can smell.
I wish they could smell it too.
On camera.
I know. Oh, look at that.
We got it.
Whoa, look at that. That is beautiful dough.
It is only cheese.
It's got so much cheese in it. So we're gonna cover it, and we'll see you guys in the morning.
See you in the morning.
All right, guys, welcome back this morning.
Ruby
And Liz
Cooking Show.
That was good. All right, so let's take this, and this is some minced garlic, and we're gonna sprinkle it over the top. You wanna help, Ruth?
Sure.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. Bake me something good.
This is my favorite part.
I know, more cheese. Oh my Lanta.
I just love cheese.
I know you do. Okay, we're gonna put this guy in the oven on 425 for 25 to 30 minutes. You ready? High five. See you in 25 minutes.